Hello guys, welcome back to DGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get $82 from this site. I'm going to be showing you right in this video. So stick with me in this video and watch it to the very end so you don't miss out on any update I'm going to be dropping. So before we get started, I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another video in this channel. Now click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to get 82 USDT all task done. Once you do this, I'm going to send the 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to you. The last thing to do is to share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. I have placed the link of the website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. Now, the first thing to do is to enter your email, your password, your security password, and also this invite code cannot be empty. If it is empty, you cannot be able to sign up. So if the invite code do not show up here, you can go to the description of the video and get the invite code from there. Then you click on sign up. As you can see right now, our account has been created successfully. You can save your password. Once you save your password, you click on I know. So now this is the interface of this platform. Let me show you the mining machine that you can be able to generate that $82 every single day. Remember, this is not a free site where you can mine USDT for free. Like in my other videos, I created videos in which you can earn cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, USDT and TRX for free. So you can go to my channel and watch those videos if you are interested in getting free cryptocurrency for yourself. But this particular one here now is you have to invest in order to get USDT from this site. So you click on VIP to see their mining plan. This site actually gave us one free mining plan in order to earn us 0.49 USDT. So to perform the task, you click on mission, then you click on go to finish. Then you will see that the amount is going to be transferred into your balance. You click on me and you will see your 0.49 USDT here. Now let's check other miner on this site. You click on VIP. The second one here is going to be giving you 1.5 USDT every single day, and you're going to make a total profit of 21 USDT. This miner is going to run for 14 days, and to unlock it, you need to pay 10 USDT. The second one is going to give you 4.6 USDT every single day, and you'll be getting a total of 96.60 USDT, and it's going to run for 21 days. And to get it, you have to pay 30 USDT. So the fourth one here is going to give you 15 USDT every single day, and you'll be getting 450 USDT, and it's going to run for 30 days, and you will need 90 USDT to unlock it. So the fifth one here is going to give you 45 USDT every single day and 1,350 USDT total, and it's going to run for 30 days. And to unlock it, you need to pay 270 USDT. Let me go down to the last miner. This one here is going to give you 2,005 USDT every single day, and you'll be making a total of 120,300 USDT. This one here is going to run for 60 days, and to unlock it, you need to get 9,720 USDT. So these are all the mining plans. As you can see, the first one here now is a free miner in which you can use to earn USDT from this site. So if you want to purchase any of this miner, you click on home, then you click on deposits. Then it will take you to a page where you'll be given an address in order to transfer the USDT to the address. So once you transfer that USDT, it's going to take 1 to 3 minutes for that USDT to reflect in your account. And once you transfer it, you click on recharge completed. Then you go back to your account, the home balance, then you will see the amount is going to reflect in your account. Then you click on VIP, then you see that mining plan is going to be unlocked. Then to perform the task, you click on mission, then click on go to finish. That's all about the task. Now to withdraw, click on withdrawal, then it will take you to the withdrawal page. You enter your wallet address here, then you enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Then you enter your security password here, then you click on confirm. Note, you can only withdraw once every 24 hours. So whenever you withdraw today, you can wait for the next day in order to withdraw again, because you can withdraw anytime. As far as your miner keeps mining for you, you can be able to withdraw, but you need to wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you withdraw. Another 24 hours, you can still withdraw. So as I always say in my video, invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. So invest at your own risk. So that's all about this video. Comment down below and drop your questions if you have any, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell icon for you not to miss my next video. I'm going to be dropping another video next tomorrow, because I post video on this channel every 3 days, so you don't miss out on the updates I'm going to be dropping. See you all in my next video. Stay safe and God bless.